So price has been respecting the hell out of this resistance from yesterday, right here. So interesting to see that. I ain't touched my chart since yesterday, obviously. But let's see what we got going on today. So how did yesterday end up closing? Doji, so yeah, don't really matter. Let's go down to the 1 hour, coming right up to a 1 hour resistance right here. Which is at 65. Probably looking at like these wicks above there. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. So the 30 minutes looking like. Yeah, I mean, I ain't really too much worried about them wicks unless it's a 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute resistance right there. Then above there. Yeah, we'll just see if we get a closure above there, but a little nasty right now. Depending on how this 30-minute closes, its slick could go up, but you got these little resistances to the left. It's just, that's a tight ass squeeze trying to get from there to there. It's 45, not terrible. As far as sales, where we've been respecting, I just waiting to get under there. 43, 43. Unless we get like a bit of a fake out. Every time price closed under there, kind of came into this little next support area right here. And then price come down into here. So right now, it's kind of waiting a little bit. I see 8 o'clock had a crazy little push up. So no bottom wick on this 15-minute. 30 seconds before this closure. Last 2 5-minute candles are now turning around. Right here. After rejecting out of a 15-minute support or resistance, right here. Let's see, what is that? Oof. Brandon. They got me thinking about it, man. That sell, bro, that sell. Closing below a 15-minute resistance. Oh, and breaking this high? Man. Yeah, because after that, since it broke this high, it comes down. I know. If it comes down and makes a bottom wick, I might be being a part of that. And make sure I might be a part of that. But we gotta see though. Because at this point it look like damn near wanna break the daily high. I hate that game, man. I hate it. I hate it. It's just a game, bro. It's the game. Chat, we don't use stop losses over here, man. You use your discernment. That's all you got in this game. Your discernment. You got to get your money back, huh? Swear to God. Yeah, I mean, shit. Honestly, bro, all jokes aside, it may just leave it alone. For real. Yeah, they might. They just might be like, bro, we don't feel like hearing his mouth, so I'll just leave it alone. Let's just leave it alone. Bruh. See, like right here, this happened at 12:45 a.m. It broke this high and it gave about 22 and then plummeted. It does it every time, bro. Yesterday, it broke these highs, plummets. It just depends on if this is going to be the high that it breaks and then goes, or not this, but like if it's going to do something like this, or if it's going to do something like this and fall out. But yeah, bro, hopefully they leave it alone. All jokes aside, bro. Hopefully they do. I hope they do. Yeah. Nine. Oh, 8, yeah. Bruh. Bruh. I'm telling you, like, maybe they just really was like, bruh, fuck it. Like, we don't really even care like that. It ain't that big of a deal. Because it's not that big of a deal. And like you said, I think you was done training by not 8 a.m. your time. You was literally done training by 8 a.m. your time. Right. So what even is your balance right now? Oh, that's a big difference too. I hope they let you keep it. That's a big difference from 100 or a 100, 1,000, sorry, 1,000. Oh yeah. Nah, Jamal, he on TRADECOPIA. He's on TRADECOPIA. He was talking about Jamal saying the trade's taking blah 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 blah. I'm talking about he's talking about top one, the TRADECOPIA. They saying we just gonna clear the whole day, which top one has done that dumb shit before too. Like, bruh, I was gonna say it in the group, but I was like, bruh, we are grown. If you see prices doing some dumb shit, bro, I'm telling you, I was just like finishing up in my desk, and I saw my TradeEvade moving normally, and price over here was moving like, bruh, like 15 seconds slower. I'm like, oh no, this is my sign to close this shit anyway. Like I was done, but now I was done. I was like, whatever. Yeah. But nah, that trade, like I saw on TradeEvade what it was looking like. I saw so many moves after the stream that I was like, damn. If I traded all day, yesterday would have been a day to eat. But I was like, bro, let me chill. Let me chill. Let me chill. Like right here. I seen this candle break this high, and this candle come back, close below here, right there. This candle wicked up to retest this area a little bit. You use this as your high, enter on the break of this low, coming down to this support right here. It flew past all that shit, plummeted. So there's a lot of moves to be had every single day. It's just about like knowing when enough is enough. I'm telling you, bro. When I be thinking about how I used to drive for Uber Eats and shit, I be like, bro, I'll be outside for 4 hours for $100. But let me make $400 in 30 minutes, and that ain't good enough. I'm telling you. Am I gonna have to take this damn stupid ass break of the daily high play, bro? I hate that shit. You gotta live and die by it. You gotta live and die by it, bro. That's the only thing. It's like if you don't take it sometime and do take it sometime, it's gonna work out sometime. It's not gonna, like, it's too much guessing. Yeah, that's why I be thinking about doing, but then at the same token, I'm like, bruh, because I still feel like I don't want to take another trade on that account. And if it did play out, I'd be like, I should have just taken my normal risk. But you're right though. Even if I take a 1 instead of a 2, like catching 30 is a nice $300. Like, that ain't bad. Or losing 25, it's only minus 250. I ain't just sick about that. I know, bro. I know. 4373.6 right here. Bruh. Ugh. Let me go to another time frame. You talking about coming into a support? Bruh. That it perfectly rejected out of. It's going, I mean, I know if I didn't take it, it's going to play out. All you can do is just, I mean, all you can do is just trust it for real. Let's see, because it's still 60 pips away right now, which be seeming like a lot, but that no bottom wick on the 30 and the 1 hour is just killing me. 30 minutes or so. I hate it, bro. Like I said, maybe I'll take a 1 and just like if I cut it at minus 200, minus 250, like that ain't. I'm not tripping about that. It's just losing that minus 650, 700 on that dumb shit. You be like, bruh. That minus 25 or minus 30 on that too be so mean. It's like, bro, that's minus 600K. Quick. Let alone a 4. It's breaking that 5-minute high now. And please come on down. Come back. I think if it even closes respecting this. Wait a minute. On the 30 though. Oh. I'm looking at a closure above here at 845, but you got a resistance right there. But you also are anticipating that it should break past this little shit right here and push with the daily high. A 15-minute closure above this. 15-minute closure, because I was looking at the 30-minute and I was like, wait, if we close above this in the next 20 minutes, which it probably ain't just gonna sit here for 20 more minutes, but if we did, I feel like that wouldn't be a bad position to take, anticipating volume to break past these wicks. Because we ain't got a closure above here. It should come up into at least right here. Roger, you are at the desk? I gotta see if he's taking it. Bruh, I don't know why, bruh. I do not like it. Like I said, I don't want to pick and choose, because picking and choosing is not the right way to go about it when you got one move that's just, I ain't gonna say a 50-50 chance, but bruh, no bottom here, no bottom there. And if it start breaking this shit, it should close above anyway. Like even if I missed the initial push. Like when I see daily lows about to break, I want to see just something simple like this, just straight down. Like easy 70, 80, call it right there. That's what I want to see. We'll see how this, if it lasts till 845. It's inching up though. I'm gonna be rooting for you, bro. I'm close to that payout. I'm only $1,200 some change away. I'm $1,200 away from that payout. I need it. All right, we right at this resistance on the 15, but this 15-minute resistance is only 30-minute wicks. So breaking. It should push, bro. Like it really. Brandon, I want it. Bro, this 1 hour has pushed so much from the bottom. Bro, this 1 hour from this bottom wick, y'all, has pushed up 250 in the last 40 minutes. And counting. This is a crazy 1 hour candle. It just filled the whole range out. Came down, made a high, came down, made a low, and filled this whole bitch out. 40 minutes, man. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I love it. I like it. I don't love it. Let's see. We got a 15-minute candle closing in 3 minutes though. I really think that if this shit can hold off for 3 minutes for me, I really think I would want to get in slick right here though, and like take advantage of that 20 pips to the wick rather than getting in at the wick. You know what I'm saying? Like if this close gave a perfect bottom wick down, entry on the break of this high, I would have a TP set for 30. So all I would want is to this wick and 10 pips beyond it. Because I've been playing that game of 2 for 30. I mean, I ain't really too much worried about a 15-minute resistance, honestly. Yeah, bro, like we getting above everything. We'll see. 1 minute, 30 seconds. I don't hate it though. I don't hate it. I just want a slight closure above, a wick down. You might not even close above. But if I can get a closure above and a wick down, that'd be great. If I were to take that position, the real stop, as y'all know, is way the hell down here. So that's why I need a bottom wick. As much as I would love sitting minus 100 to see if it'll go up for 30. Nah. So give me a nice ass pullback, like preferably down into like here. Like this is where I would love to see. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this blue line. So was waiting on a closure above here originally. Price flew past that. 12 seconds for this 15-minute closure. I would love like a little 30, 40 pip down wick if possible. I can enter on a re-break of this high. Break even right here. Anticipating that price is going to break past this daily high and give me my last little 10 pips that I would want. If it just goes up without a bottom wick, it is what it is. The last two 15-minute candles have also done that. Boom, boom. I mean, this shit is just flying, so I'd rather just watch it on the off chance that it does that dumb shit where it gets you in and plummets for the rest of the day. But it's 20 pips away from entry or break of the daily high, which is 43.73.6. So price very well could just fly the way it's been flying all morning. So just yeah, right. Using this as an advantage point. It'd be nice to use that as an advantage point rather than using this as the entry because it's already like done made its way up. Even on this stupid ass, small ass opening, that's already done made its way up. 25 right there. There we go. All right, Brandon's in, y'all. Let's root for him. 43.73.6 was the entry, unless he got slipped. Down 20, down 30. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. You went lower risk though? Yeah, you should have. Definitely. Because there's no bottom, bruh. 3 straight no bottom wicks. No, sir. See, so I think, see, he didn't even give the 10 after the entry. Okay, so now that this is happening, if we can close back below here, oh my God, that would be nice. Yeah, or even below here. But now that we done did this real quick, we we can look to the left and see, bro, we done fell the hell out from here. And all I want is 30. So let's see what we can do. We can start making our way down, getting out of these highs. Did you get back in, or are you just being patient? What, you down now? You be taking it on one account at a time, right? Oh, so you lost it on both. No, that's not. It is what it is. Let's see. We done seen worse days. You gonna try to make it back on the next trade, or you gonna like go slow? Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably waiting on 9 at this point, but yeah, I mean, because just to make sure this is a new resistance and not making a bottom wick to come up. Yeah, like this could at any point like flip and reject off of these supports that were identified. Like it can tap right off of this right here to continue up. That's why I would love to get a closure back below here. But this 5 is coming down, down, down. Yeah, why you being scary? You talking about that little 180, or you had that 3 running? Oh. See, that's why you gotta take a minute between them trades so you can use your discernment. Damn, this looks good. Man. Even on that 5-minute break of the low. See, already now it could be respecting this, or it can close under. I need to see a resistance form. Even if this shit just comes down, 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 down. I just want to make sure, because this no bottom wick on a 30 is just crazy. Bro, that shit got you in. Went 4 pips in profit. I'm telling you, bro. And even that entry that I took, or I wanted to take, it didn't even give for that. Like, I wanted a perfect bottom wick down. And in that case, I'd have entered on the break of this high, 4371.8. It gave 24. I'd be wanting 30 on that too to get to max out 600 a day. Not to say I would, well, I probably wouldn't have taken profit the way that shit jumped down that fast. I would just want to stop the break even. So, all right, so it's tapping perfectly that support that I identified right there, so you can see it better on the 30-minute time frame right there. That's a resistance, and it also is a support on the 15. So perfect tap to potentially just come up. That's why I want to make sure we close back below here. I close back below there, then I'll be looking to take it down at least into like right into here, which will be the flip on the 30-minute. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. Oh. All right, Brandon. Part 2, right? Nah. I be saying though, when you lose that first time, and then it does it again, it usually be ready to go. All jokes aside, it really do. But I'm good on that right now. I'm good completely. That no 15 bottom wick, I was like, no, sir. That thing went straight up. Let me change this on. Mm-hmm. In the meantime, it's almost like the damn daily high should be more of a fucking, like I said, advantage point rather than an entry. Sometimes them no bottom wicks was so lame. Think about Brandon though, he gonna turn this day into a plus $1,000 day. Watch. I already know. Next trade, make a little 1,200, 900, 1,200, some shit. Then one more trade for a finisher. I know your game. 2 threes for 30 to 40. Simple. This is my 97th live stream. I'm at 100 next week. Oh, how far we've come. Now looking all professional. Got a little overlay and all. Bruh. I mean, let's see my first stream was. My first stream. Scrolling. June 25th. So crazy. June 25th, y'all. For 40 minutes. 38 views. I wonder if I took a win. Let's see. Bruh. Price looks so different then. Got streamed straight on YouTube here. I didn't even have a camera, boy. That's funny. I didn't even have a camera, y'all. It's black screen. Mute it. Price in the range, per usual. I was up $200 that day. That's when I was on them 150K instance. 157. Yeah, bro. The good days. Yeah, I don't think I took a trade this day. Or maybe I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And good days, Brandon. Closure below. Wick to fill. Support to the left. Look at that little stop loss. I think it just ran straight to TP2. That's what I like. Stop loss to break even. Boom. Flicked out. Yep. Damn, was the good days. I miss him, man. I miss him. Let me switch to this tab. What we gonna do right here? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Brandon, when this shit go back in profit, you gonna say I should have held it, huh? What we finna do? How much longer you got? Like 30 minutes, 45 minutes? You a good man for being on that phone. Are you able to copy trade on the, it's copy traded on the phone too? Okay, as long as you just use the leader account. All right, all good. I'll be hollering your name when I take some. Damn. Roger. Man, shit. What do I need to see a buy above at this point? Bro. No lie, that shit sat perfectly off of this support, but all right, so daily high just broke again. I ain't trying to play this game, bro. Let me see what a 1 hour resistance is. I close above there. It's not bad. Because you don't got nothing in the way above that. I ain't gonna say nothing in the way, but it's like a clear path closing above here on the 1 hour to come into there, which is still 50, 60 away. But yeah. Sell. I'm just waiting to get back below here. Yeah, bro. I got a perfect down wick. I would anticipate that this could fill on out. I need a bottom wick though, y'all. I really do. Like I said, that 15-minute tapping that support perfectly, right? You can't beat that. Now we closing above this resistance right here. There's a wick to fill right there. I would anticipate that we should be able to go if it closed above. I just don't like playing that daily high game, man. I don't like playing it. 13 seconds. Let's see what this bottom wick talking about. Oh, closed just under. Man. And then I partly want to take the Tonio because it closed below support. And it should make a bottom wick, but you just don't know how deep it's going to make a bottom wick too. Let's see. Close under support. When it closed under support the last time, it did come way the hell down here. Let me try. I'm gonna try my hand. Just anticipating that this is gonna make a bottom wick. I'm gonna use this high as the stop loss. I'm gonna take a 5 though. Well, no, I'm gonna take my normal risk. Damn. Just anticipating that we need a bottom. Well, not need, but love a bottom wick. And I'm gonna go to GC just because I got different prices that I'm looking at. Yeah. And if this shit just keep running, I'm gonna just wait. But this is kind of crazy. And I ran up about 45 with no bottom wick at all. I ain't near for a long time, but I'm anticipating that this shit should make a bottom wick if it wants to come, or it should come down at least into like right here after rejecting out of or closing below, sorry, a 1 hour support over here right there. Closure under there. Or the safer move would be to wait on a 15-minute candle to actually close bearish back under here. That'd be the safer play, because it definitely could just come down, make like a 10 pip bottom wick just to continue up. I mean, this is a definite counter trend trade for sure. Definitely a counter trend trade. But if we just keep breaking highs and like it gets too big, like the stop loss, then I probably would just chill. Wait a little minute. That boy Brandon could have been eating good if he could withstand that pullback. Let's see, it's like a 50-ish pip stop now. Oh, you got back in? You back to the break even? Oh. That's fine. You just nickel and dime your way back. Plus and minus 200 is about break even anyway on 100K. I mean, yeah. I would like to think that if we broke this low, we should come down and make a bottom wick for the whole new 1 hour candle. But the way price is running, bro, maybe not. So we'll see. I mean, worst that can happen is take a little small $200, $300 loss and keep it pushing. What was that? Oh, that re-break of the 1 hour high. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, but you got to live and die by it, though. You just got to live and die by it. Like, you can't not take it another time because you lost on it the first time. It's like, nigga, you'd have been mad if you didn't take it just now. We start getting candles closing above. Yeah. I really think sales are a better play right now. You got it closed under this, but it did close above this. So just going off of history, what's happened in the past. Five-minute candle just closed. If this shit want to just keep running with no bottom wicks, bro, it is what it is. But I need a closure above like everything. About to break the daily high again. Let's see, flirting with it. All right, just broke it. All right, coming down potentially. Come on down, bro. Oh, that 5-minute candle got right up to here, but didn't break at the high. It came close. Spreads would have got you in, but it didn't break it. Let me see. It's coming down quick. Trying to see if I can catch that. And if it does some hoe shit, it just is what it is, I guess. Just anticipating that the 1 hour candle should make a bottom wick. Ain't asking for too much. If I see like 20 to 30, I probably should go, or like 20, I probably should go ahead and go stop loss or break even, because these are kind of scary in the fact of, man, this thing can come down for a quick 15, 20 and shoot back up. Like, definitely can. I'm just looking at the fact that this candle closed below the support and this candle just shot straight up, broke these highs with no bottom wick. So if we can get shit 25, 30, I will be a very happy man. Let me see. I really think it can come down into like 65 area, but I ain't gonna hold that long. And then I think at 9:15, once again, if this candle closes something like this, you get a top wick on the 9:15 candle, that probably is another entry setup. So let's see, 2.5 minutes before this 5-minute candle closes. I'm really wanting to get in and out before another 5-minute candle is necessary, because definitely could go up. You just sitting in the sell. Kind of like yesterday, I actually caught my first win on the sell, when in reality, price bought all day until like 1 or 2 p.m. Like I said, the safer play would definitely be to just wait on this 15-minute candle to close here soon. I don't play safe, because in that case, you wouldn't know if we actually gonna close weak bullish or whatever, or actual bearish. It's like 20 pips from entry. If this can come right into this wick right here, that'd be great. You have a little mini support right there, but anticipating after we got out of them damn highs, we could come down a little bit. 1 minute for this next 5-minute candle opens. Ugh, I do not want to sit in no 5-minute top wick. But just an idea. The only thing to do is manage your risk. The real stop will go probably above this daily high. But I gotta see if I want to sit in there for minus 470. 30 seconds. It's gonna close hella strong, bearish on the 5. I think it's about to get me in potentially. 15 seconds. I would love price to make its top wick before it gets me in, but we'll see on the 5 minutes. So got the 5-minute candle that just closed. Coming with no top wick.
Order filled.
All right, no bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. Let's see. No top wick on the 5-minute. That's the only thing where I'm like, push. Up like 17. All right. Stops to BE. Stops to be seen like 20.
Order filled.
Boom. All right. Cool. Caught 460 on that over here. And it might have pushed, but it pulled back on me like real quick at the end, but it's all good. I didn't like this no top wick. I think it's going to finish through, but it tapped right into my little zone, and I don't like it playing around. All right, there we go. TP smash. So there goes first trade for 22. I mean, I catch over here. About 23 over here, 22 over here. What was my exit? 23, 22. Bet. Okay, first trade. So made 460, 450 on those accounts. So now just gotta see if I can hit on my other accounts. And let's see that 15-minute close exactly. If this 15-minute closes like back under here, I like it again. My scary ass getting out right when it's near TP. That no 5-minute top wick, though. I do not fuck with that. Y'all know that. That thing could have easily came back up. But I ain't mad about 460. So yeah. It's man, I want this thing to keep running, because if this thing can close below like all that shit, boy. Yeah, man. I had no bottom wick on that 1 hour. We know what's going on with that. It. Ooh. All right. So let's see. We can get a closure below. If we can get a closure below here, man, we running. Oh boy, that's nice. This is nice. All right, need a bottom wick. I got out so long ago. Caught 23. 40, 20. Hell no. Need a bottom wick so I can enter on the break of the bottom wick. Hell no. Did you take that sell? Hell no. I need a bottom wick so I can enter. What you up? You up now, ain't you? Yeah. Let's see. Maybe you can take a 2 or a 3 for another 30 or 40. Yeah, I'm trying to be one more trade and done, bro. I need a perfect top wick, hopefully. Need a perfect top wick. Left about a little 140 on the table over on other accounts, but I'm about to go ahead and switch those accounts. I'm done with those for today. All right, let's see. 17 seconds. This is good. Need a top wick. Need a bottom wick to enter off of. Need a top wick to manifest. Come on now. Chill. We just broke the previous 30-minute low, so that's also good. We got nothing in the way, y'all. Like, come on. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad. Enter on the top wick. Price should make a top wick, especially since the price is still bullish. What'd you say? You entered? Oh, okay. I'm looking at, well, I'm not seriously looking at it, but I'm seeing this 15-minute no top wick. I'm like, this shit is definitely gonna make a top wick after just shooting down. The 1 hour candle is still open. We're coming into these resistances right here. I'm wondering if on the break of this high, if that makes sense to take a buy up. Yeah, because you coming into these resistances right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that. It's volatile as fuck right now. I'm gonna just go with a 1 though over on my other account. Same as the case with this account. Just because I'm anticipating that price is still bullish on the day. Like, until it shows otherwise. So if this flips, I'm anticipating. Yeah, if this flips, I'm anticipating that this 15-minute candle will make a top wick with how fast that bitch came down. But if not, just cut it quick. And it just came into, granted, it's a very small time frame that I'm not too much worried about, but it just came near a 5-minute support right there. So I'm on my scalping bag like you, Brandon. It's a lot of volume. A lot of volume right now. If you were to use this low as your stop loss, the low would be about 40. Oof. Jumpy, man. Jumpy. Oh, the way it's shooting down is the way it shoot up. I like it to buy now because of how quickly it came down. And we're still bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Like, at the end of the day, this shit could do all this and come right down into here and still buy up. So we just have to see. It's got a lot of volume right now, though. I wonder if there's any news coming up. Nah, no red folder usually. All right. Oof. It.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Bro, this is crazy. Let me drag this up. If it goes against you, just like I said, just cut it. Come on, man. Jumpy. Down like 10 to 12. Let's see. 15. Oop, cut.
Order
Hell no. No, sir. I only lost 336 on that, which is fine. I'm not sitting in whatever drawdown that can come with. So I thought it would flip and run, and it still might, but I'm good on sitting in that drawdown. 336. I can live with that. I can't live with no big ass losses. So let's see. All good. I think I seen like on the read, so was my entry 58.8. Bruh, it's so jumpy. 58.8. I only seen like 8 on that, and it's coming back up. The price action shows that it should still go up. Like, we still have a wick to make, but I'd rather wait. Brady, the man. Trying to see what's going on, man. Not much, man. 1 win, 1 loss so far. 1 win, 1 loss so far. So trying to see if we can muster something else up. You at work or you on the way to work? Damn. Jesus. Jeez. Like I said, up about 450 on some accounts, down about 360 on some accounts. So we'll see what we can do at 9:30. You got denied? And you're up 70K per account, right? 350K payout. Why did they deny you? Yeah, if I was up 350,000, I wouldn't be as calm as you were. That's funny. Was NQ on today? Oh, okay. We'll see. I don't think so. I know Roger and Roger in the group used to do NQ, but most people just kind of do what I've been doing, which is that's funny. We'll see. Gold is jumpy right now. And the funny thing about gold is, and I'll share my screen. The funny thing about gold is, like, I got out down here. It came up, would have been 30, 46 in profit, came back down. Like, it's just a lot going on with it right now. But no biggie. Really? It'd probably be a little more, or a little less volatile for you, comparatively speaking. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Dude, I mean, I'm like pretty high leverage. Like I battle with going low risk and trying to hold for longer, or just saying like, bro, fuck it, I'm going 2 contracts for 30 ticks. Yeah, like I would love to be able to hold for longer, like I really would. But parts of me are like, just do what works. Like, for example, on that, I just took a minus 23 tick loss on a 15 MGC, and it's like, okay, minus 350 or whatever. Like, it is what 360, it is what it is. Today. Oh. Yeah. Got yeah. So sometimes when I see price coming down super aggressively or up super aggressively, I'm like, let me catch the opposite. Like that was the case in this instance. Price opened with no bottom wick, just plummeted down. So I was like, man, I was thinking that we make a higher top wick, and it probably will, especially at 930. If it can chill like right here, I wouldn't even need to hold it for long. Break it this high, taking it on up for 30 points. But we'll see. We'll see. Because I anticipate. Go ahead. Yeah, my first entry today was off the 5 minute. So, well, basically the 1 hour, 30, basically the 30 minute, I'd say. Like, this candle didn't have a bottom wick right here. But then I went to the 5 minute and saw that we created a resistance, entered on this break straight down. So, and that goes to show for all my new traders, those on YouTube, whatever. So this idea wasn't bad right here. It's just with my size being relatively high, it's hard for me to sit in like these fluctuations. Like my fate is usually decided in 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 2 minutes. Like it's hard for me to say, yeah, I think it's gonna go up, but I don't care if I'm sitting -70, negative. Like I don't want to do that. So I'd rather just take the small loss, get it back on the next trade when I'm usually going straight into profit like this. So. And all in all, if one set of accounts are in the green and one set of accounts are in the red, you made progress towards the payout. So it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm telling you, man. That's why I be telling people, I'm like, I'm currently running, I think, 13 accounts. Man, honestly, if 5 blow, it's just like, okay, you got at least 20 grand coming. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. So, like I said, I mean, it's just, I like streaming because it just shows people the transparency behind it. It's like, yeah, I took a loss on this buy position, would be up 70 ticks right now. or 50 ticks right now. So it just is what it is. Like, yeah, it looks great after the fact, but it is what it is now. The idea was right. My size would be way too big according to my wrist. That's the only thing. It would just be so like, because in this instance, I would have used this low. And I think my entry was, let's see, 8.7. So if it was 8.7, it would have been about 50 points, which isn't crazy, 45 points, and it came right close to it, and now it's making its way on up. So it's just all about using your discernment. Now I'm wondering though, are we about to sell or buy? Because the 30-minute candle is about to close bearish back below the range. The 15-minute candle is about to close bullish after creating a support, kind of tapping off of this area. And we have a resistance kind of right here. So we'll see what happens this next 2 minutes. This is an interesting kind of closure though, area that we're going to be in. I'm assuming NQ goes crazy at 9:30. Insane. So I'm looking, and shout out Brave for the 5-minute. I'm looking at this 5-minute, y'all. If we get a top wick and this 5-minute candle closes weak bullish or bearish, I wouldn't mind an entry on the break of this low, because I mean there's a 5-minute support right there, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm more so looking at how the 15 minutes about to close bearish, how the 30 minutes about to close bearish after creating a resistance up here. Just need a good, decent top wick, preferably like up into like here. But I doubt that's gonna happen. Probably just gonna melt. So we'll see. Yeah. Do they operate kind of the same? From what you can, yeah, I would think they do. NQ, yeah, like when one's selling, the other one's usually selling. Let's see. All right, let's see. Luxury. Now it's 15's about to close bullish again, strong bullish. We'll see. Because I also don't hate this buy either. I can see both happening, which isn't good. 30 seconds. Let's see. Too many untold stories is what Roger just said. Yeah, like if you got a bottom wick and a re-break of its own high, it should be able to fill this out into this resistance on the 30-minute fairly easily, even if that's just the top wick to come down, honestly. Let's see. 10 seconds, which feels like the longest 10 seconds. But ooh, yeah, okay. Breakdown. I'm going by. Break of the high. Oh no! Wait, what's going on?
Filled.
Oh my god. Okay, I had to close out of that. It lagged on me. It lagged on me so bad. Shit. I'm seeing TRADECOPIA rush up. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is Project X and it sucks. It's horrible. It's so bad. I'm about to take a sell though, because now that we made a bottom wick, top wick, when it comes back down and re-breaks its lows, I'm anticipating that 930 volume is going to take us down. Dude, fuck Project X. Yeah, like now that we're making our top wick that I wanted, I would have loved for it to open straight up rather than down up. Golly, bro. And you know, I'm on a live account with them, or a pre-live account with them, so anything under 10 seconds, they just wipe it. Yes, bro. Top one futures. Top one futures. They've done pretty well by me. I've gotten like 35 grand from them so far. I've only had one payout denied, and it was when price fell like 90 in the span of like, bro, it was like a second, legit like a second. But I really do my heavy lifting over here on TRADECOPIA, as I know that's what you use. Okay, so we're tapping right into that area that I like. Now, if we just keep going up, it is what it is. Mind you, like I said, guys, I got in way the hell down here on a buy. So, like I said, it's just kind of the luck of the draw. But stop sharing. We'll see. Share screen. All right, so now that we tap perfectly into that area, if it flips and re-breaks its own low, I think that we should come down. Stop. The stops will be pretty big. You just got to use your discernment in like cutting it or holding it. I think if we also close back above on the 15-minute candle, and what's going on? Flying around. Yeah. Let's see what NQ. It stops getting a little big, y'all. I might chill for a second. Oh, I see what NQ's lapping around. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Dude, fuck. They're gonna say, if you were affected by this, please send your trade ID. They always say that bullshit. And the thing about live streaming is I have evidence, which is nice. As soon as I saw that open straight down, I was like, oh, buy stop. Quick. You got to be so damn quick with this stuff, though. That's annoying. That's so annoying. Yeah, this stop's getting big, y'all. It's 80 goddamn points. Like, all right, I'm about to delete that. But we'll see. So where was my entry on that buy? It was 60.9. So it was way down here. Would have been nice to hold it up into here like I expected it to come into. I'm assuming you've used Project X in the past. And I'm assuming you don't use it anymore. So I don't know how deep you're into the news of it all, but Project X is terminating its agreement with everybody because of all the glitches it's had. Yep. That's why I tell all my newbies, I'm like, bro, just use Trade Evade and link it to TradingView if that's what you want to do. Yeah. Exactly. So we're running. Did you make 4,000 or lose one? Oh, okay. Not bad. Yeah. Up and down. Bro, that's some BS, man. Jesus. There it goes. Just the pattern. All right, new 5-minute candle just open, but 5-minute no top wick right here. Price is a little tough today, y'all. Price is definitely a little tough today. And one of my friends just texted me the tissue paper emoji. Or TP. Stupid ass Project X lagged on me, so I just had to close out of it. But I made like 200 on it. So we but I legit saw the same entry. I know we're volatile as hell right now. Like, are we breaking down? It's like I always say, these could just be top wicks to come down ultimately. So if this 15-minute candle closes weak bullish or even bearish, respecting this resistance, an entry on the break of the low still wouldn't be bad. Anticipating it to come down into this support here. Damn, I damn near want to jump the gun and get in on that sell. Ooh, I'm thinking about it. After a re-break of its own low during 9:30, I have no stop loss at all. Like, it would literally be all the way up here. No stop. I guess I would just be like using like a little floating stop. Like, yeah, so I'll set that sell stop. I'll set this sell stop on the break of that low now. Maybe, yeah, I got it, but we'll see if it even comes to get me in. It's still 60 points away. Let me see. You didn't catch it? No. Damn. Where's your stop loss? Oh my god. Let me guess on this game. No re-entry on the break of this line. So you're up on the day, technically. Yeah. Yeah. All right. About to delete this again. This is stupid. Dude, look at this. Look at this 5-minute candle. Bro, from the top. 85 pip pullback on a 5-minute candle. Jesus. Probably waiting on 9:45 now, guys. Honestly, just with how we're moving, this volume is something. This volume is something. So are you on your feet at work, or are you like you have time to sit at your desk and like trade? You living a dream. Everybody in this chat right now is at work trading. Literally. Damn near. Yeah. Jamal's at the house, I think. Trey Mitch, he be on the road. Brandon, I think is at work. My other Brandon, he had to switch his schedule around because they was telling him he couldn't be at work and trading. Somebody snitched on him. Hey, man. That's what Brandon was at. Brandon was like, I made an $8,000 payout last month. I made more trading in 2 hours a day than I make from y'all motherfuckers. I'm not stopping trading. It is. For real though. Brandon taking that 9 a.m. lunch. That's funny. Yeah. Exactly. It's all just about using your, I guess I always say discernment, understanding what makes sense for you. All right, let's see. We have a 15-minute resistance right there, but I don't know if we should technically be worried about that anymore, considering we just created a new low. Are we going to make a wick down to come up and retest this high right here? I only want 30 points, 30 to 40. So I would like to think that with a new support forming, that we should be able to go ahead and fill that out, even if it's just filling a wick. Let's see. This closes respecting this support though that I found on the 30-minute right here, or this resistance. Yeah. But if it closes above it, I don't hate that. Let's see how it closes in 3 minutes. Brady, how much have you gotten in payout so far this year? Right. I did a damn What would a guess be? Yeah. Yeah, that's about right though, because I've taken 82 and spent 28. So I mean, those numbers are all like to scale, like just times 3 about. Times 2.5 to 3. And for reference for people listening, I mean, he spent a lot, obviously, but that's, yeah, I mean, yeah. Like, you got to pay to play, obviously, but spend 100K, make 300K or 250. I mean, it makes sense. Yep. Yeah, bro, I'm liking this sell still. This current candle 5 right here, filling this wick right here. Oh yeah, I know how quick it goes. Probably looking for one more move. And I don't know if this is going, I think if it closes green above this blue line, I think we're going to buy because of the 15-minute closing as strong as it is. If we close respecting it and it closes below this support right here, I really think that this 30 minutes is going to continue down, because if it closes respecting right here, re-breaks its own low, we already have a wick to fill, which is 30 on the dot. So we'll just have to see. NQ just plummeting. Let's see, 30 seconds left on this 15-minute closure, y'all. It depends on how this candle opens. So if it does exactly what my entry over here did of just shooting straight down, I'll have a buy stop buy on the re-break of its own high. I don't want to enter up here if I can control it, just because again it's getting a little tighter up into here. I'd rather take advantage of the wick and the break of this than just the break. So let's see. It's not a bad move though, now that we formulated a new support on the 15 above these resistances. 5, 4, 3, 2. It's not terrible, even if you use the break of the previous candle, because the 1 hour candle is still open, like I was saying. I think that this candle is breaking it. Yep, it's breaking up without a bottom wick. Let's see. Brandon, break of the daily. You know that's not good when you hear that. No, what happened? Bro, that did that to me yesterday on all my accounts. I pressed that X and nothing happened. I said, oh, okay. I see what we're doing. Brandon, you do not need to lose $3. You're good, buddy. You're good. You're good. It'll hardly change. Like, I don't think it would change it. You won't notice it. Like you would have to hit like 6,000 and like 40 cents or something. Like it wouldn't matter. Mind you, y'all, Brandon was down 700, 800 to start the day. And I called it that he would finish up over a band, because that's just what Brandon does. I'm telling you, I already knew. I'm telling you. All right, bro. Well. Man, I'm thinking about setting the break of this daily high. Buy stop. That's been one of my bread and butter. Just break of the daily high. and trusting that 9:30 volume will push you on through. It usually gives. I mean, it usually gives it. But sometimes it does this bullshit where, what'd you say? Yeah, like this was perfect. So if you get this out the way. And my entry was down here. I took a damn loss just because I cut it at -20. But it's okay though. Like I said, I can live with -$300 losses. Like I'm not really tripping about that. It just is what it is. Usually my trades just go straight into profit. So when I see a little bit of drawdown, I'm like, ah. So you say you hold to your full stops usually, but does that mean you're holding to your full TP, or you're like, hell no? Yeah, me too. Yeah. That's why I was talking to Trader Nick about when we were talking. He was like, man, honestly, you can be profitable with a 0.5 risk to reward. Like, it really doesn't matter. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Damn, I just hate taking unnecessary losses. I'm damn near about to fucking reach out to top one and say, y'all's platform crashed again. Don't take my money. Bro, I got one payout denied. Like I said, one. And it was because I made too much in like 1 second, legitimately. 1 second. I'm sure. Because that would have been your, I mean, I don't know what you would have held it to, but that'd have been your 4,000. Yeah. Don't you just love it? Let's see. What are we doing here? Damn, part of me wants to get in on this 5-minute break of this low right here, taking it down after this 15-minute just came up, made a top wick, rejecting out of this same 15-minute support or resistance. Damn. What is that? 5-minute candles. It might be running away a little. Safer play would be to wait for sure. It just 10 minutes is an eternity. I'm about to go look at NQ. But yeah, my prediction, y'all, is that this is about to come down. That's my prediction. Could be wrong. And I would love to get in based off a 5-minute price action, but I'd rather wait on a 15-minute resistance to reject out of here or close above here to take it on up for today. So we'll see. NQ. Oh my God. Oh, wow. So you're one trade a day usually? Like if you lose, that's it? One contract, 1,050. Oh, because it goes in 20, like, is it 20s? Like $20? Okay. Oof. So when you say you go 2 contracts in, you got some risk on the table. Yeah. And then it moves like a motherfucker. Eight contracts? You're talking about $1,600 every 10 plays? Did you lose your prop accounts or live or both? Oof. It's all made up. It's all made up stuff. Yeah, no, I know it is all made up. Yeah, and you're net positive on the year. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Hell, if you made $1, you're better than most. but it was taken and lands. I'm over here already chatting with support. I'm like, bro, I know they're gonna pull that bullshit when I request a payout. Dude, how are you okay just being up 300,000 and them not paying you out? Oh, dude, they banned me. So. Yeah, I can't either. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even get that many payouts. I only made 24,000 with them. Yeah. I'd say, hey, I told you, Brandon. You really be getting to it, bro. Told you. Yeah, man, I don't know. I think I'm thinking too small. My goal coming to the year was to make 100K in payouts. It was really make 50, but then I got on the Forex Beginner podcast, and he was like, you're gonna do 100 easy. And then I'm like, you're over here like, bro, I'm trying to make a $500,000 next year. I'm like, you're dead ass right. Why not? Why not? Yeah. Shit. Trade Zella. Just $30,000 L every day. What'd you say? Your live account. Yeah. The thing I appreciate about most of the people in the group is like they do understand like this isn't life or death. Like Brandon has crossed that boundary a long time ago, and that's why he's now able to do pretty well with it. Because if you trade with your asshole tight, bro, you're not gonna make any money in this, especially with props. Yeah. Like Jamal's that same way. Like his first month in the group, very limited trading experience. He took a $3,000 payout in month 1 in the group. I was like, but he's willing to just take that 5 contract on gold and let it run. I'm like, man, you good, man. So it just depends. Me and Roger are getting there. Like I'm still working through that. Still. It's not like it's you wake up and it's just easy anymore to just control. You gotta get to the 10K and then you're live, 50,000 live. Yeah, I'm 80-20 right now. I'm not going with enough size, obviously. Yeah, I just look, so. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I just looked at top one. I'm up 34,474.51 from them this year. I think I'm up like 30 grand on TRADECOPIA, like 15 on Lucid. So just got to keep on stacking these days, honestly. That's what it all comes down to. Lucid, bro. Lucid, I think I got paid out in like 5 minutes. I think that's one of their things that they like incentivize. Is like how quick they process. I think I made the withdrawal request, they approved it, and sent it to the wallet all in like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking to see how this candle closes, but I'm not liking how I'm near a resistance right here. You're choppy to the left right here. I don't know if you're selling considering how bullish this 30-minute candle closed, and then a 1 hour candle is about to close. Bearish, yeah, that's not bad. 4 hour candle is about to close. Bullish, right at a resistance. Yeah, it's a lot of indecision, honestly. A lot. All right, bro. It was great talking to you. I'll be on. I take off Thursdays a lot of times just as like a little reset day, but I'm gonna for sure be on Friday. So, I mean, any day you come to the group and you see the Zoom link, we're on. Yes, sir. Gotcha. Yeah, get unboard. Go run around or something. Heck no. For sure. Cool. All right, bro. We'll see you around. See you soon. All right, man. See you soon. Well, Roger. What's the move, man? Let's see. I might be done too. Roger, you finished break even, a little profit. What you looking like? I finished basically break even when they take this money from me. Dead ass ain't no move. The next move is to break it daily, but you know we don't play with that. I'm looking at this 15. Ended 180. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm looking at this 15. Oh man. Yeah. It glitched on, bro. Oh god, it's glitching out a little bit. This should come down. This should come down. This should come down. Do I want to risk it for the biscuit though? If it breaks this low after respecting this resistance, it should come down. Part of me want to take my thanks. With the way it respected this resistance right here, bro, I'm really thinking that this shit should go down. But I don't know. It ain't A+, so. Let's see. I feel like I'm on my Brandon vibe if I set my buy stop. Let's see, it's about 60 pips away though. Yeah, I'm not taking that sell considering where it closed, like right there above this. It can definitely come like right down, tap that, continue up. So I'm just at this point, the last move will be anticipating volume to push you through on the break of the daily high. Give that a try if you wanted to. I'm up 210 on the day. So if I lost 25, 30, I'd end up break even essentially. So it ain't really no huge deal. But as far as the move to be had, and bro, prices just printing side by side. Like, if it keeps pushing up, it really doesn't look bad to come down though. I know I said it's a support right there, which it is. But man, I'm just looking at the price action of respecting this resistance right here with all this volume, and it didn't break that high either. And all I want is 25, 30, so it ain't like I'm just asking for too much. Yeah, bro. Let me try my hand at that. Let me just try my hand at that. Anticipating volume to take me down from there. And if I gotta cut it, I gotta cut it. I'm just looking at how we respected this resistance. This came up, didn't break this high right here. If it comes down and breaks this low with volume, yes, there is a 30 minutes support that is kind of coming down to, but man, I'm expecting it to come down into like here. But if it keep breaking up, then I've been holding that point for 20 minutes. Facts. If it breaks that high, I'm gonna delete it. For now, at least. Yeah, all right, it broke it. I'm still here looking at that daily high right here. Now, let's see, 43.78.2, 43.78.2. I don't love the daily high play, as y'all know. I do not love it, but if it starts going against you, you just gotta cut it. It's moving, y'all. I'm looking to the left, and the next resistance I'm seeing is on that right here. So you probably want to either cut it or go break even, like right there, about 25 pips in profit. Let's see. No guarantees though. Like I said, if it just gets me in and pulls back, then I guess it is what it is. But it done filled out this whole support. Perfect. 4374.4 right at a resistance. You got a resistance right there. guess if you were to use a stop loss, like a real stop loss, you'd probably use like the current 5 minute low. But if it goes like negative 25 to 30, I probably would just cut it. Yeah. The same thing that happened here can happen again. It went up, came straight plummet down. So just be on the lookout for that. That it definitely can happen. But this is probably my last move of the day. Man. Let's see, 1 minute 20 seconds for this candle to close. There we go again. Getting near that daily high. Coming down. I had my buy stop set. Still have it set. But if this candle closes back below, man. All right, now I'm gonna delete that again. And then likely waiting till 10:15, but we'll see. I don't wanna do anything stupid. Trade around 30 p.m. 30. 3 minutes. And I'll see what the move is in 3 minutes. The 15-minute candle close above this area. That really wouldn't be bad though. Like getting in before this high, using this as an advantage point. We'll see though. If price don't do what I want it to do, I'm done. Two minutes. One minute, 20 seconds. Let's see. 30 seconds. So this 15-minute closure. See if I can get a retest down into like at least into here. I prefer not to have to buy all up here and shit, but all right, 5 seconds. 4, 3. I want a down wick. $43.78.2 is that entry. 43. All right, let's see. I think when it breaks this high, it should be good to go ahead and go. 43.77.1, 43.77.1. Using this stop loss. Oh, that's tight. Might give it a little bit more room than that. Maybe back into the range a little bit. But I'm anticipating once we break the previous candle wick. Like I want this stop to come down. This candle to come down a little more to retest. Like this area over here. But once it fills this wick and breaks this wick, which means it's probably gonna break that high right there. I don't need too much. We should be good into at least 80.7 right here. Let's see. Let's see. Worst that can happen is we take a loss. I could either, like I said, I could use this low. I'll just see how I want to manage it when I get in it, if I get in it. It closed right above here, came down, made a bottom wick. We're just near all these resistances. Come on now, top one. Let's see. 4-hour resistance is right here. 1-hour resistance. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. If this thing just keeps on coming down, because until we break this high, this could be the top wick to come down. That's the only thing. Let's see. I'm looking how we close above the most recent resistance, but you do have a 4-hour resistance that you're right at. And so anything can happen. Anything can happen. If these 5-minute candles start pushing down too bad, I'm gonna just call it. Yeah, that's like 60 now. Ooh. Yeah, delete. delete. That's the perfect entry if you caught trying to sell. Jesus. That's that sell I was looking for earlier. Reflip. Jesus, yo. No break of the high. And see, this is the area I was worried about though, right there. That's why I was like, nah. So part of me's like I should stay till 10:30. Part of me like, man, call it. I'm not gonna stay visible. I'm gonna go take a little quick walk, but I'm gonna have it open. And if this closes below this at 10:30, I think it should come down. But if it doesn't, I'm off. So I'll be back in the next few minutes. And if it just free falls, then it is what it is. So I'll be right back. If y'all are rocking with me, I'll be on in a minute. If not, I'll catch y'all on the next stream. But I'll be right back. Mute. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Got the 15-minute about to break that high. Yeah, it is. After grabbing all them orders to the downside. 72.2. 77.2. No stop loss. After grabbing all these orders to the downside, I'm expecting that we should have a quick push up. But we'll see. Maybe not. Don't really gotta stop. These 5-minute candles going dummy. I said I wouldn't be back for a minute, but I got that little alert on my phone. For checking. Got greedy. This is a hell of a liquidity grab to the downside. Grabbed all this on the sells. If it breaks this high, it should go. Should. I wonder what caused it to do all this. Man. Boy, I'm about to close out of this crap. That's how you lose money. Same little support keep rejecting from, bro. Right here. Yeah, bro. Keep setting my buy stop. Thinking it's gonna run. I'm just trying to catch something, man. Just trying to catch something. All right. Well, looks like that's gonna be the stream, bro. Let's see, it's gonna sell. Yeah, someone said it's gonna sell. I mean, yeah, that's what it did the last time it was up in here. It just keeps rejecting out of this same little support right here, which is also a 30-minute resistance right there. So it keeps tapping it, coming up. Same way it tapped it right there, came up. But yeah, man, we'll see. Like I said, I'm here until 10:30. I got a closure under here. I'll definitely rock with it. Delete this again. I deleted like 5 buy stops today. We know what happens when we get to them daily highs. It usually wants to like correct itself. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it 3 minutes, 30 seconds. If not, I'm done. Call it a day. All until the next. I usually don't trade Fridays just because I take a little day for myself to reset. Took 1 loss, 1 win today. Well, technically 2 wins, even though that bullshit happened where I had to close out in 3 seconds. So technically 2 wins and 1 loss. So and then my 1 loss, actually I got in down here on the reflip. It just came down for about 25. I cut it off and then it kept moving up. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm still in a good spot overall. Like I said, as long as I'm making progress towards the profit, I'm good. I'm at 102.210 on some per dia account, or my per dia account. Yeah, we looking good. 1809 on a TRADECOPIA, 1889 on another TRADECOPIA. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Let me see if my money is good. Let's see, I'm gonna just wait at this point. Even if it does, like it's gonna start pushing up. Because at this point, you only got a minute left. You're thinking that. I don't know, man. It usually be happening in a minute, so it's tough. Let's see. This is risky, but if it breaks this high, I'm expecting it to go ahead and go. I'm gonna bring this down 3. But if not, I'm gonna wait on 9:30. See, we got 1 minute left. Yeah, nah. So if this candle closes above and I get another down wick like I've been saying, I'm still like in the same position. So let's see, that'd be the 30-minute candle closing above this resistance, a 15-minute candle closing above this resistance, grabbing all these orders to the downside. You just waiting to get a bottom wick. So let me move this out the way right now, just in case price want to do some dumb shit. And then I'm gonna see if this candle can 1, close above, and 2, give a bottom wick to enter on the break of this high right here. 3 seconds, 1 second. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick first. If it just goes straight up first, then nah, because that means that it can do all this and then just come down. Definitely could. All right, there we go. So can we get a bottom wick now that we done broke the original entry's high? Come on, give it a little bit of a bottom wick. Something, anything. Ooh, no wick, no entry, y'all. If I don't get one, you could take it on the break of this high, anticipating that it should just be a quick pop. And it might. 4378.2. Nah. 4378.2 was the entry. So I'm gonna just leave that alone. It can do what it wants to do. Let's see how it plays out though. If it re-breaks this high again, it should keep pushing. But 4378.2 was the entry on the re-break of the daily high right here. So let's see if it goes ahead and goes to my targets. No bottom wick. I ain't want to play with that today. So it's past my trading time anyway. Got to be disciplined to the plan. So took 1 set of wins, 1 set of losses. Happens. I ain't mad about a minus 360 loss though, when I'm making plus 4, 5, 600 on my wins. So, all right, y'all. Well, I'll be on probably not tomorrow, but probably Friday. So y'all be easy, and I'll hit the group.